Our next performer is Theashi Koralage with the lively rendition of Dance Monkey. Let's give her a big round of applause.